Data exploration, visualizing distribution or probability distribution. Visualizing distribution of the data is nothing but a univariate analysis. We can use histogram plot for this purpose. The histogram plot is a graphical representation of the distribution of the data, univariate data especially. In our environment, we can use the ggplot2 library for this purpose of plotting histogram of the particular univariate data. Here we are going to see the histogram of sample length of the iris dataset using ggplot library. So this ggplot or ggplot the library used to plot the histogram of the iris data, especially sample length of variable. So for that the command is ggplot data base, that is iris, and we want to use the x variable, that is the variable to be analyzed is sample length, that is we are putting into x-axis, and the type of the data analysis visualization what you want to display is the histogram. So for that we use zoom histogram. Under histogram the bin size is represented as a 30, and we want to fill the graph by blue color and the color of the graph should be black. We want to use minimal theme for this. So let's visualize this command, how it is response in our environment. So this is the command. So we use, before using the ggplot command, we have to load the library. For that we are using library command, library ggplot2, and after that we use the ggplot command as we discussed. Let's run. So you can see this histogram graph. Since we are mentioned to use sample length as a x-axis variable to be analyzed, so sample length is given here. So this sample length is taking the value of ranges up to 8, from 1 to 8, maybe in the centimeter. So you can see the frequency distribution of this values. You can see the value of sample length 5 centimeter is taken 10 times in the given data set, and the maximum count is the sample length of around 6.5 centimeter. It's take nearly 12 number of times. So you can analyze what value of the sample length is taken how many times. So and also you can come to know what value maximum is taken by the data set. So the you can, from the graph you can see that the value of around 6.5 is taken mostly by the flower as a sample length, because you see the maximum count is, that is 12 times comparing to other sample length values. Also you can observe that minimal count, the entire flower set of the data set is taking around 3 centimeter sample length, that is with the minimal count, and the entire data set taking around 6.5 sample length with the count value of 12 times. So this histogram visualization enable us to identify for the given single variable what value majority taken or what value very minimally taken. So it can able to we can able to find out the minimal and maximum value what the variable is taking from the histogram count graph, from the histogram count graph.